ये वो चमचमाती हुई ट्रॉफी, वेल डन टीम इंडिया।
तो आपने मुझे
usually-
बता दिया.
Yeah.
You have again predicted
Yeah,
the
why not?
teams.
Why not? It's a body. It's not a machine. It requires recovery. It requires fitness. And there's a pressure from investors. There's a pressure from ad agencies too.
तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता जा रहा है
Yes.
डॉक्टर राव. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
They face bad results. That's an established fact because Saturn color on Sunday won't work.
हार्दिक पांड्या.
Okay, I'll reveal the secret which everybody wants. I would bet on my methodology. A new emerging winner is going to come this time.
Wow. नमस्कार. डॉक्टर राव के साथ स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे लगातार हमारा डिस्कशन चल रहा है. पिछले कई एपिसोड्स में हम इस विषय पे बात कर रहे हैं. इतना बड़ा, इतना वास्ट ये अम्ब्रेला है अपने आप में, क्योंकि इसके अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं, बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हैं जिनको आई एम श्योर लोग इन्जॉय कर रहे होंगे, समझ रहे होंगे. डॉक्टर राव, ये जो आपकी बुक है स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी, इसमें जो सब हेडिंग है द इंक्लूसिव मेथडोलॉजी ऑफ गेम एनालिसिस, फिर एक सेपरेट एक चैप्टर भी है इसमें, इंक्लूसिव मेथडोलॉजी ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी. हम ओवरऑल स्पोर्ट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. डॉक्टर राव, जब एक स्पोर्ट्समैन इंडिविजुअली प्ले करता है, जैसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ टेनिस हो गया, टेनिस में भी चलिए आपके पेयर्स होते हैं, बैडमिंटन हो गया, लेकिन इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर गेम का मैं बात करूं तो स्विमिंग हो गई, इस तरीके की मैं अगर स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट्स की बात करूं और एक टीम इवेंट की बात करूं, जिसमें मुझे लगता है ये जो साइंस है इंक्लूसिव मेथडोलॉजी का वो काम करता है. सबसे पहली बात है, आप कैसे कैलकुलेट एक पर्सन करे, क्या सबसे इम्पैक्टफुल चीज़, मैं टीम के बारे में पहले बात करती हूँ, क्या ऐसी सबसे इम्पैक्टफुल चीज़ है जो कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी को इम्पैक्ट करेगी? एक इंडिविजुअल कैप्टन का परफॉर्मेंस, जर्सी नंबर, सॉइल, प्लेइंग कंडीशन, टॉस, पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम, या जर्सी का कलर भी होता है कि क्या कभी कभी जर्सी के कलर्स भी दोनों आपस में बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल होते हैं? कैसे कैलकुलेट होता है ये? इंक्लूसिव मेथोडोलॉजी के थ्रू समझना चाहूँगी.
यस, ये इंक्लूसिव मेथोडोलॉजी जो मैंने इसलिए इंक्लूड किया था,
जी.
ये स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी मैंने किताब जरूर लिखा है, बट आई एम नॉट द फर्स्ट एंड द ओनली पर्सन अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी. द स्पोर्ट्स एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज पॉपुलर एज ओल्ड एज रोमन टाइम्स.
ओके.
Yes, Romans were the first ones who brought astrology into sports. And Greek astrologers then used to give predictions to elite class of Romans who are big way into bettings in those days. Now, today, biggest cricket capacity stadiums are 1,30,000 Ahmedabad Stadium, 1,10,000 Melbourne, 1 lakh Calcutta Stadium. These were the stadiums of present day where we enjoy the games. In those days, 200, 300 years before, people used to have 3 lakh capacity, 4 lakh capacity stadiums, and who used to enjoy chariot racing as a sport. And they were the only sports which women are allowed to watch some of the matches, some of the games. So that was the popularity which sports astrology gained respect in society of those times. When I said inclusive methodology, I've been living in the fraternity of astrology for the last 30 plus years. So for everything I see, many astrologers we discuss at various forums, various this thing, how they calculate a game, how they see what are the factors that they are into consideration, all those things. So everyone has, somebody has 40% success, somebody has 50% success, somebody has no success, still he's banging on to the method, he's trying to brag about it. All these things I've seen. So in this entire process, I also understand, being exponent of many methods of this branch of astrology, I comprehended all of them. I said, yes, these are the factors which you can really, dependable factors. From game to game, team games to individual games. For instance, chess is the game. It's an individual game. You need to be very fast in thinking and very analytical. You should think 5, 6, 10 steps ahead or the whole match before. So there are certain combinations which individual game requires a kind of set of planets and personal combinations. The games which are indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games require more energy in terms of analysis, analytics, and fitness, stamina, basically. Shorter the format, TT the fastest, and tennis is the longest format in terms of singles and doubles, whatever. The moment game goes out of indoor stadium to outdoor stadium, it's a different dynamics. The dynamics changes. So team games, as I told you, the game of legs is football, so it has a different combination of planets. Like cricket, I explained to you in the earlier episode that there's a batting combination, there is a bowling combination who defend the score, and there is a all-rounder combination. There are 3 sets of combinations. So inclusive methodology talks about not only about the nature of the game, but also the facets that one should take into consideration. So that is the inclusive. So there is jersey number. What jersey number is? What role you are playing? Then who's your lead captain? What is should be his number based on the game? So captain is just a captain. Actually, if you are representing your own country, in my game analysis, your personal horoscope is least important. If you are a captain of Indian team of a particular sport or any country for that matter, your horoscope is no more with you, because based on your personal horoscope only you take the position of a captain. There it ceases. Then the moment you come into the playing of a captain,
Right.
you are the representative of the flag and the country that you represent. That horoscope comes into the picture.
Country ka horoscope.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the whole country's emotions are with you. Then country is emotionally attached to you. So that is an inclusive methodology. So when to shift what? It's not a gully cricket where you see each person stand and then you predict. When the whole country gets attached to this, the moon gets attached. When the moon gets attached, the country's horoscope attached. So Bharat Sarkar koi certificate nahi deta, you represent India. It's all, we feel that we all like the game, we all like the team, so we say it is Indian team. Otherwise, BCCI has nothing to do with Indian team, Indian constitution. So same thing with other countries. Every cricket board has their own rules and regulations. But those countries, when they come under one tournament, they follow certain rules called ICC, some other board, whatever board, whichever ruling authority they have it. So for me, it is the captain, if it is an IPL game, if it is a franchisee game, country doesn't come into the picture, because in one IPL team, there are half foreign players, half Indian players.
True.
So the franchisee ownership becomes the
horoscope of that team.
Of the team.
Owners का भी इसमें horoscope impact करता है? जैसे मैं
owners का क्या है? It's a shareholding. It's an entity for them. It's a commercial entity.
Yeah.
It's like any other company. So if the company franchise is good and if they have good vastu, good other numbers are there, they have good place to work with, good executives who can think well, and give them freedom to respect to players rather than their personal agenda, things will run like any other house, a media house or a political system or a cricket franchise is an institution by itself, a corporate entity. They must enjoy the game, they must enjoy the entertainment part of it. Their role may be to the extent of selecting the players, and once the bench is full, then they close the doors and then sit and relax. Then coach and captain will take care of the rest of the show. Next season again fresh team will come, fresh things will happen.
अच्छा, मतलब कि वो एक फ्रेंचाइज का एक हॉरोस्कोप होता है जो आईपीएल टीम्स में अटैच हो जाता है. उसमें ओनर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल किंग्स 11 पंजाब है, तो प्रीति जिंटा का जो रोल है वो प्लेयर्स को लाने तक है. उसके बाद इट सीजेस, शी कैन सेट बैक. तो जो टीम का हॉरोस्कोप होगा या कोच का होगा, दैट बिकम्स द वाइटल फैक्टर. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता जा रहा है डॉक्टर राव. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंट्रीगिंग ऑल्सो. और मुझे लगता है कि क्यूरियोसिटी इतनी ज़्यादा है कि मेरे मन में सवाल बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. कितना एक्यूरेट होता है ये? एक्यूरेसी कितनी होती है?
See, this is all about how close the contest is. Interesting. Suppose on a given date, jersey numbers you have to see, batsman versus batsman, opening pair versus opening pair, captain versus captain. the jerseys are fixed. Some people have got multiple jerseys. Home game, away game jerseys are there, like any other foreign game they
Right.
have. But when it comes to jersey, after the jersey is there on the day which they're playing, which is not in their control. If a black color is playing on a Sunday, they will take the setback very very badly. जब भी black color surface में आता है on a particular day, they face bad results. That's an established fact because Saturn color on Sunday won't work. So, but still they have to manage those. Then they have to be more extra cautious. Then that is the time they play with the numbers more. That's how the adjustments have to be made. So, inclusive methodology means everything which is celestially controlled, not controlled by the player's strategy. What is the contingent you have? That is inclusive methodology. The most interesting is New Zealand team and South African team. Both haven't won a World Cup. But every time they play a very good contest in terms of coming to semi-finals, coming to finals, that's the maximum time they come for. But somehow I always felt green color is not suitable color for becoming the champions. Green and black both.
Green and black both.
So each format has a different thing.
तो आपने मुझे बता दिया.
yeah.
You have again predicted.
Yeah,
the
why not?
teams.
Why not? You can see that. That's the factor. So these are the maximum time they reach semi-finals,
Black
whatever,
and
green. So they can have options. Why they have to go for these colors? Outdoor game, these things, black, these two colors are no only. That's an established fact.
डॉक्टर राव की बात मान करके, प्रिडिक्शन की बात मान करके, अगर हम ये कहें कि आपको अपना जर्सी, सबको पता है कि ब्लैक कलर की जर्सी किसकी है, ग्रीन कलर की जर्सी किसकी है, तो अगर आप अपनी जर्सी चेंज कर दें तो आपके जो प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं अपनी पोजीशन बनाने के, वो स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे. लेकिन कलर्स क्या पहनने चाहिए वो आपको पर्सनल अपॉइंटमेंट लेकर के डॉक्टर राव से पूछना पड़ेगा कि कलर्स आपको कौन से चूज़ करने हैं. इंडियन टीम का जो जर्सी कलर है वो आपको कितना अपीलिंग लगता है इस वक्त प्रेजेंट सिनारियो में?
Indian color is blue color, so very good. Blue is represents India, which is a democratic country. So blue and whatever colors they have, it's a fairly orange. Blue and orange is very fantastic color for this game of sport. Yeah.
सबसे फेवरेबल जर्सी नंबर क्रिकेट को फोकस करते हुए कौन सा है? शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट, लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट, दोनों?
Before I come to that, I'll complete. I have nothing to do with these countries. I love those countries. In fact, I love their game. Both countries, which I said it. But the way they exit at semi-finals and finals level every time, so disappointing, so sillily they lose it. The contest they give, they come up to that point where they can really shake the world, and we see that they are the underdog, they'll win it. And so disappointingly they disappear. That hurts me more because this small thing is really bothering. It's a nag in my head, basically. That's one thing. But I love the country and the way they give a entertainment contest at any given point in time. Now coming to your question, jersey number. See, I always see it like this. Batsman versus batsman I see. Opening pair versus opening pair. Who are their opening pair? Who are our opening pair? There are some exceptions. Maybe out of 100, one player may be exception. If I say this number is unlucky, is unlucky. Otherwise, more or less, it's a set game. The batsman versus bowler on one side. Who can break the partnership? Who can set the big score? And who can really make it entertaining or make it a real contest. For this IPL, especially for interesting thing is, which I have discussed with my other in forums, this thing before the IPL contest, my team knows about it. I said this IPL is all about hitting maximum runs, maximum sixes,
मतलब
highest scores.
मतलब बल्लेबाजों का बोलबाला
yes.
रहेगा.
T20 is all about ballebaji. This is very sadly they want to hit the bowlers, take a task, and you don't like low scoring matches in T20. So now the game format is changing, so it is interesting. I don't know what, you may even cross 300 plus runs in this IPL. Yeah. This IPL is one of the unveiling things. I don't know whether really coaches are making these robust bats or pitchers are playing it. I don't know, but it's on the cards. The dynamics has changed. So that makes me say my inclusive methodology. If you can make your bench very well balanced in terms of good numbers. Numbers means not number of players. Good jersey numbers.
Good jersey numbers. This is the takeaway.
Taken by a good lead captain who can compose it well. Captain is not the one who has to perform every time runs. He should be able to manage the squad, strategize on the ground, manage with the coach strategy room, which is inside the coach and captain, the team meetings basically. they will be the winners. And mind you, this IPL is coming into a very great contest. None of the previous winners will be the contest winners this time. You will find a new winner. That is
news.
something which I would bet on my methodology. A new emerging winner is going to come this time.
Wow.
Let us celebrate, all of us. So I'll pray that a good contest, good entertainment goes up. But I hope a new jersey color, new captain, new person will emerge
As the IPL winner.
and he will set the trend for the rest of the next season as well.
Set the trend also.
Trend, how
मतलब
to say, the game dynamics will change.
राइट डॉक्टर राव, इस वक्त कौन सा ऐसा प्लेयर है इंडियन टीम में, मैं आईपीएल स्पेसिफिक अभी बात कर रही हूँ, इंडियन प्लेयर की ही बात कर रही हूँ, जिसके लिए इस वक्त कंडीशंस बहुत फेवरेबल है, जिसका फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट लगता है आपको?
इंडियन प्लेयर्स में अभी इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ ऑलराउंडर्स. A player who has got a positive number, who can bat and bowl,
ओके.
are the best Indian team, who will make into the team very well.
अभी फिलहाल जो एक नाम मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है डॉक्टर राव, वो है सूर्य कुमार यादव.
So pure bats have their own time, their own best slot. They have to perform. Pure bats means opening batsman, first one and second one, 4 people. But sometimes ऐसे भी होता है कि 5 ओवर में 5 विकेट गए.
हार्दिक पांड्या
पीछे, yeah, is a good option because 33 number is to play. So 33 is a good number. So he's mixed with both numbers, both sides. I will tell you just precisely how number works. Then the batter's job is to put the score on the board, especially opening pair and first 2 for 1 drop and second drop. If they mess up, only you have to depend on some kind of an all-rounder, some kind of a pinch hitter like Dhoni or somebody else who can really turn around from any side, from anywhere. In 2 hours they can turn around the match. That kind of a game changers we need. So those numbers are separate again. Number 7 is equal to 9. So 7 is very popular in sports. 7 everywhere. 7 is an outdoor game. Any outdoor player. Okay, I'll reveal the secret which everybody wants it. 9, 10, 11.
9, 10, 11.
11 are good numbers. 7 is equal to 9 again. Leaving 8.
Okay.
8 goes into the bowlers category, not batsman category. So these are these single digits, either they are combination of 9 if I say, whether it is 9 or it is 99 or whether it is 18 or 90, all are 9 only. So you can see all the best batsmen. विराट कोहली 18 में है, रोहित शर्मा 49, 45 पे है. So you can take it wherever combination. They have not asked any astrologer probably, but they must have dreamt of these numbers when they dreamt of being best batsman. So you can say it's a coincidence. Not necessarily any astrologer must have given advice. But if suppose you feel that your child or your student wants to become an opening batsman, you can inspire him with those numbers. The numbers will work on him.
Wow.
What he has chosen is his date of birth. What he can choose is his chess number. That is suitable to his role, the way he wants to play the game, he wants to take his career forward. So this way you can chip in an information with a database, with examples, with so much of analytics available. Coach, captain, investor can sit together and talk and negotiate, including parent. Right, this is what we plan. This is how this boy can go far. There are 1-2 ikka tukka hota hai, but more or less you can certainly give that kind of due credit. How many people have lost the best of their careers despite they have best of the game talent? They could not shine. Similarly, how many people who have got not the talent but still they made it so big beyond their capacity and talent? So what is that factor? It is the number factor or it is the planetary factor. I don't just believe, I've been observing it as a student of astrology for last many years. But given the chance, people like me, people who read the book, who have got acute with knowledge, can help the society and franchises to take this forward.
एक और चीज़ डॉक्टर राव की आपने जो नंबर बताए हैं 9, 10 एंड 11, तो कहीं ना कहीं इस कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ अगर हर कोई टीम में खेलने लग जाएगा तो फिर क्या होगा?
Color also will come into the factor. Color will come into the factor. And it's always pair. Always pair. Suppose if I want to watch, let us take a research, let us take past matches. Some students are there, they can see. If they want to predict a World Cup, Group A, Group B, Group C, whatever groups, you compare all the opening pair of every team, what jersey numbers they have, and who's putting the top score, combinations of those. So if you take Indian combinations since Benson and Hedges, Shastri versus Gavaskar together one combination, and then Tendulkar and Sehwag were one combination. Then Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan were one combination. So now I think Rohit Sharma and there are certain combinations are there. So if you see over the years, we emerged better batsmen, better numbers, and better chemistry in the opening pair as a batsman. I don't see talent and left-right combination. I don't see. I see how jersey numbers and color is playing on that particular match. Against a particular opponent, that's what I see from the point of my subject. Similarly, if you divide the game into batsman zone, bowling zone, all-rounder zone. If your best mix of numbers are available, your bench is always safe. This IPL is going to prove that my theory is very workable, and you will see the results after the entire tournament gets over. Read my book, make a notes analysis based on the notes that I've given. You will see exactly this methodology is working. This book is already 4 years down the line. I've got more than 200, 300 people who read the book, who are using it for their own purpose in terms of what purpose. Everybody wants, as an astrologer, they may be seeing some failures and some success both. But when they have the success, they share the input with me with that conviction that yes, this method, this particular technique is working very well here. That's something which is victory of the astrology, not Ravira. So I am the one who comprehended those principles found in the book. But actually what happened is subject is getting victory. That is the beauty thing. That will go for a long, long time.
डॉक्टर राव, सबसे ज़्यादा जो अभी पिछले कुछ टाइम से जो डिस्कशन का एक टॉपिक रहा है वो है प्लेयर्स की फॉर्म. चाहे फिर मैं विराट कोहली की बात करूं या फिर केएल राहुल की भी बात करूं, प्लेयर्स अक्सर अपने फॉर्म से परेशान हो जाते हैं. एक ऐसा पॉइंट आता है कि अच्छा, वी एज फैंस आर वेरी क्विक इन फॉर्मिंग ओपिनियन. हम बहुत जजमेंटल होते हैं, या प्लेयर नहीं परफॉर्म करे उसको टीम से निकाल दो, या गिव चांस टू द अदर प्लेयर सिटिंग इन द बेंच, क्योंकि आपका बेंच स्ट्रेंथ अब अच्छा है. इंडिया के पास एक टाइम था जब हमारे पास बेंच स्ट्रेंथ उतना नहीं था. अब तो हमारे पास वी हैव flawless players who are proving their mettle. तो ऐसे में जो फॉर्म होता है and getting the form back, like जैसे हम लोग अपने आप से एक टैग फैंस ऐड कर देते हैं, किंग कोहली. तो जब फॉर्म जाना और फॉर्म आना, एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली क्या उसका भी एक रोल होता है किसी भी प्लेयर का?
Yeah, it's a very big discussion and debate and lot of work to the mind. There's a huge change if you see the dynamics in earlier times. The entire advertisement was done by film stars or models. Now the trend has changed. The entire space is occupied by only sports people.
Correct.
Because they're proven to be fit, they fit into every product and market. And probably some of the sports people earn more money in ads than the sport what they actually play. That's also maybe true. I don't know the numbers. Having said that, they are recognized, they got this recognition, this reward because of the game. So the game is everything for them. The game is worshipped. The game is everything for them. So to keep their form intact is half is with him. Half is with the planets. Injuries he can't help. Work pressure he can't help. If he has to play X number of games, he can only play X number of hours. He's a body. He's not a machine. It requires recovery. It requires fitness. It requires mental stress and format, everything. And there's a pressure from investors. There's a pressure from ad agencies too. They get faded fast, and then new players are coming and new rates are there. There's so much of business going around them. So I would say somebody should guide them to what extent they can go, to what extent they should balance. I'm not against the revenue point of view, whatever, but the more नजर लगता है, अगर मोर ज्यादा नजर लगता है, जस्ट वी प्लेड फ्लॉलेसली इन द रिसेंट वर्ल्ड कप, बट वी लॉस्ट सो चीपली, एंड द फाइनल्स, द होल कंट्री वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग. And now then people talk about pitch, they talk about something else, and it's not in the good spirit of. The boys have given their best. They've won every match possible and with best of the best targets. But having said that, so only so much you can control. But I would say a franchisee or the board or anyone who has got the shots should give them a good balance of everything so that the true performance comes up. And truly the game is enjoyed for a long, long time in every aspect of it. From the point of player, he should enjoy the maximum career possible. He should maximize his revenue, and he should be respected well at how he made up his career, and very graceful retirement also to be planned. And post-retirement too. And there are some players who played 10 years of cricket and 20 years of commentary life. So they're more of a commentator than the player. I have nothing, but it's a good thing that's happening. Because their brain, their analytics, everything is good. There was a stage where cricketers cannot speak, and today cricketers are the best commentators.
Correct.
And we used to have commentators which are not cricketers in those days. In 1983 time, none of them were cricketers.
Right.
And now from there we transmitted to, we see past heroes coming on the screen, and we watch them, we see their analysis, we take them seriously. So game has gone, so many dynamics it has gone. So somewhere this database also will help these franchisees. That's what I foresee now.
यंग ब्रिगेड है जो अभी परफॉर्म कर रही है, उनके लिए भी बहुत कुछ सीखने की बात है. और नंबर्स का गेम तो है ही है, कलर्स का गेम तो है ही, तभी तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी का जो रोल है वो बहुत अहम हो जाता है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. और यही एस्ट्रोलॉजी के रोल को समझने के लिए वी हैव डॉक्टर राव विद अस, और जो कि लगातार हमें समझा रहे हैं कि किन चीज़ों पे हम फोकस करके स्पोर्ट्स में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स में बेहतर परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, कंट्री वाइज स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, फ्रेंचाइजीज पैसा बना सकते हैं अच्छे प्लेयर्स पे इन्वेस्ट करके. और ये बातें लगातार हमारी जारी रहेंगी. फिलहाल लेट मी साइन ऑफ.